Hello and welcome back to a new video, and in this video I'll show you how to check Wi-Fi gigahertz on your iPhone. And just go to your Wi-Fi, and there if you see this kind of net that automatically shows the gigahertz, and if it doesn't, you need to go to your app store and then find this airport utility app and then download it. And before opening, what you need to do is go on your settings and then on your apps and go to airport utility and toggle on this Wi-Fi scanner, and after that go to your airport utility, and there you will see the number. If it is between 1 to 11, that means it is 1 to 11, that means it's 2.4 gigahertz, and if it is higher than 11, that means you have 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.